Step number 1, pick up your phone. Step number 2, watch some videos. Step number 3, collect your earnings. In today's video guys, I will be showing you how to make money online in pure passive income with no skills or previous experience. And let's face it, watching videos in YouTube is something most of us do every single day. But in this fashion, you'll be able to get paid doing something you already do every single day. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Before diving into the video, just a heads up guys, the Nextion logo will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Alright, so the website that will be paying us today is called gg2u.org. And just before I go ahead and explain everything, I need to remind you guys to be patient and keep watching. Because if you click off this video right away and go to the website, you won't be able to use it effectively and to its full potential. You'll be able to make a few dollars here and there, and you will be missing out a lot more than that, effectively leaving money on the table. And that's what I really want to prevent. So once again, please keep watching and pay close attention. Now, as you will notice yourselves, this site has many different ways to earn money. Earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. So watching videos is not the only way to make money on here per se. However, from my experience, it is by far the best one because it simply requires the least amount of work. You just open up a video, leave it running while you're off doing something else, and you will still get paid nonetheless. Meanwhile, surveys, games, and other tasks like that all require your full attention in order to collect your earnings, which is precisely why I don't really prefer them. But you can of course get paid into that way too, if you have a little bit of time on your hand. Now, as far as payments are concerned, you can get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, and various gift cards. So if you happen to be passionate about Bitcoin, and I know many of you are, it is an available payment method. If you happen to like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in general, PayPal and gift cards are available as well. As far as the website itself is concerned guys, the main reason I choose it amongst others is that it gives most of the money to its members. In other words, the money they receive from advertisers is given to the people who watch the ads, between 65 and 85% as you can see right here. That is unheard of as far as websites like this are concerned. They generally give at best 50% to its members, and in most cases, it's way lower than that. So this site pays more than other similar websites. Furthermore, as you've most likely seen by now, you get paid $1 for just signing up, which takes 30 seconds to do. With all that said guys, now let's move on to what you have to do. When you first come on here, and as many of you can already guess, it's signing up. Just enter in your first name, email address, username, password, your country, tick this box and click on sign up, and that's it. I'll go ahead and log into my own account so we can get to show you how you'll be able to make money with this website. Okay, so here's how this site looks once you log in guys. As you can see, I have indeed received my $1 bonus for signing up, and as you can see, it says I need to reach $7. The reason being is that $7 is the minimum amount of money required for you to be able to withdraw. And let's face it guys, that isn't a lot in any way, shape, or form. You should be able to easily reach such an amount. Speaking of getting paid, something I'd like to mention is that in case you should choose to get paid in Bitcoin, you will have to pay a 3% fee, which isn't too big of an issue. But if you don't want to pay even that, PayPal might be a better option for you because you don't have to bother paying any fee and you'll receive 100% of your profit. Anyways, with that out of the way, back on this page, you'll be able to see all of the offers, which you can complete. These, with the white background, will redirect you to a different website, but you will nonetheless get paid on this site. For now, though, like I said, videos will be our main focus, as they are arguably the best way to do this. Clicking on them will bring you straight over to here. And something that you'll see on here that I have to explain is the point system on this site. As you can see, for every 200 points you earn, you will receive a silver token. That token is worth between $1 and $3. Now, something that's very important here, guys, is that you will need a hideout account as well for this to work. Because as it says here, if you don't already have a hideout account, now required, click here to join hideout. When you're watching hideout videos, the hideout points you receive can be converted into GG2U video points using their site's redeem balance button. It's also okay to watch the videos directly from the hideout website. So you do need an account on this site too, and that won't take too much of your time. Just click right here and then type in your basic information and create an account, and you're good to go. Just like I said over in the previous site, you can also watch the videos from here as well. That's completely fine. Now, the second thing that's important for me to mention is that if you have an ad block running like I have right now, no videos will be available. So make sure you turn off your ad blocker first in order to get started. As I said before, guys, the great thing about this is that you don't have to actually watch the videos. Furthermore, something that I found out was that you can actually open multiple of them at once and turn off the sound, and they will generate you money as if you were actually watching all of them. When that isn't the case, watching them on your phone is also an excellent idea, well, especially if you're waiting somewhere and don't have anything to do. Anyways, guys, believe it or not, this is not the only site I'm showing you today. For those of you who have stayed up until this point, I actually have a bonus website that I will show you that will make you money in much the same way. The said site is called sareclamy.com, and as you can see right here, it is available for both iOS and Android. So if you want to do this on your phone, that is most definitely possible, just like with the previous website. Now, your first step when you come on here is to just click on register in the upper right corner. Once again, I'll do just that now and show you what you'll come across when you do so. This is how your dashboard looks like when you register on this site, guys. Getting started with making money on here is very easy. Click on earn right here, which will now show you all of the different methods in which you can make money online. You can first and foremost have engaging on social media, which is in U1, that I think most sites like this don't have. You can of course play games, complete surveys, browse websites, videos, and ads. This one is, in my opinion, the best one by far, guys. The last options include getting paid by writing comments, creating accounts, and online shopping. This site, guys, as you've just witnessed, is quite unique as far as making money is concerned. It definitely has some options here that I don't see too often. When you click on earn here, which will then open up a new window, which means I don't have to actually browse the site in question. I can just leave it open and that's it. Now, of course, well, this is my preferred method of making money with this site. I encourage you all to try other options they have on here. Certainly, it's not a bad thing at all. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.